Are you guys ready to get your arms super, super strong? Let's do some bear push-ups. So everybody take your hands and turn them into bear paws and go, rah! Nice. Now bears like to eat fish, and fish are all in the river. Who said bears like to eat honey? You're silly. I think you've been watching too many movies. Let's go to our river. So put your hands like this as big bear paws. And now everybody, let's look in. There's a river full of fish in front of us. I see all these really yummy fish. So first, I want to put my head in the water to grab the fish. So I take a big breath in. So everybody breathe in. And stick your head in the water. And grab your fish and go nom 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 nom. Good. Let's look for another fish. Look around. There's another fish. I'm going to take a big breath in. And I bring my bottom down and grab that fish. And chew your fish and go nom 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 nom. Good job. Let's get one more. This one's going to be a big fish. We may have to hold our breath a little bit longer. So everybody take a big belly breath in. Put your head underwater. Let's look for some fish. Keep looking, keep looking. There's a fish. Grab it. And chew your fish and go nom 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 nom. That was a really good fish. Everybody show me your big strong arms now. Everybody show me your bear paws. Good job. High five.